Hello, good morning, students. Monday, 2nd of November, linear regression, remaining sums of works is second. Now we have completed up to 12 questions. Now I go for 13 questions. Please listen the statement of these questions. The length of a rectangle is greater than the breadth by 18 centimeter. If both length and breadth are increased by 6 centimeter, then area increases by 168 square centimeter. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. It is given that the length of a rectangle is greater than the breadth by 18. It means breadth is not given. Let the breadth of a rectangle be x centimeter and length is equal to x plus 18. Find its area. What will be the area of a rectangle? L into B. If both the length and breadth are increased by 6 centimeter, find its new length and new breadth and new area. This new area is equal to original area plus 168. From this you can find length and breadth of a rectangle. Look here. This is a rectangle ABCD. Let breadth of a rectangle be x centimeter and length is equal to x plus 18 because it is 18 centimeter greater than its breadth. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B square centimeter, x plus 18 into x. Multiplication of monomial and binomial, x into x square plus 18x, 1. If both length and breadth are increased by 6 centimeter, then new length is equal to x plus 18 plus 6, x plus 24, and new breadth is equal to x plus 6 centimeter. Therefore, new area is equal to x length into breadth, x plus 24 into x plus 6. Multiplication of two binomials, x into x square, x into 6, 6x, 24 into x, 24x, 24 into 6, 144, x square plus 30x plus 144. Now this new area becomes, it is given in the questions that the area increases by 168 square centimeter. New area is equal to original area plus 168. Now solve these equations. X square cancels. 30x minus 18x 12x. 168 minus 144 24. X is equal to 24 upon 12 is equal to 2. Thus length is equal to x plus 18. 2 plus 18 20 centimeter and breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. You can also check your answer by adding 6 on both sides, both on left hand side and not on your length and breadth. Okay, now next question, that is 14. It is also similar of question number 13. The length of a rectangle is greater than the breadth by 3. Let breadth of a rectangle be x and length is equal to x plus 3. If the length is increased by 9 centimeter and breadth is reduced by 5, reduced means decreased by 5, the area remains the same. Now the new area is equal to original area. From this you can find their dimensions, length and breadth. Question number 15. The difference between two positive integers is 30. The ratio of these integers is 2:5. Find the integers. The difference between two positive integers is 30. Let first integer be x, and because the difference between two integers is 30, then second integer will be x plus 30. Let first integer be x and second integer is equal to x plus 30 because the sum of two integers is 30. According to questions, the ratio of their integers, first integer upon second integer is equal to 2:5. Cross multiplication, 5x is equal to 2x plus 6c, or 5x minus 2x is equal to 6c. 3x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 20. Now this 5x is equal to 2x plus 6c, 5x minus 2x is equal to 6c, 3x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 60 upon 3 is equal to 20. Thus first integer is equal to 20 and second integer is equal to 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. The ratio of these two integers, 20 upon 50 is equal to 2:5. In this way you can check your answers. Now 16 questions again will be similar of question number 15. The sum of, now it is not difference, the sum of two positive integers is 1 and 5. Let first integer be x and second integers will be 1 and 5 minus x. So the sum of 1 and 5 minus x plus x is equal to 1 and 5. The integers are in the ratio 2:3. Find the integers. So please try to solve it yourself. Next I go for 17 and 18 will be again same. A money box contains 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins in the ratio 5:6. If the total value of the coins in the money box is rupees 85, find the number of 2 rupee coins. Only you have to find the value of 2 rupees coins. A money box contains 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins. Let the number of 1 rupee coin be 5x and number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 6x. Now the value of 1 rupee coin is equal to 5x into 1, 5x, and the value of 2 rupee coins is equal to 6x into 2 is equal to 12x. According to questions, 5x plus 12x is equal to 85. So from here, find x first, then after find the number of 2 rupees coin. Let number of 1 rupee coin be 5x and number of 2 rupee coin be 6x. Now the value of 1 rupee coin, if number of 1 rupee coin is equal to 5x, the value of 1 rupee coin is equal to 5x into 1 is equal to 5x, and the value of 2 rupee coin is equal to 2 into 6x is equal to 12x. According to questions, the sum of their values, the value of 1 rupee coins and the sum of the value of 2 rupee coins, 5x plus 12x is 85, 17x is equal to 85, x is equal to 85 more 17, 5. Thus number of 2 rupee coin is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 coins. And you also find their value. If the number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 30, then their value is equal to 32 jar 60, and the number of 1 rupee coin is equal to 5 jar 25. Their value is equal to 25 into 1, 25. 60 plus 25 is equal to 80, which is given in our questions. So in this way you can check your answers. And next, last question 18. A purse has only 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins in it. The number of 2 rupee coins is 1/3 of the number of 1 rupee coins. A purse has only 1 rupee and 2 rupee coins in it. The number of 2 rupee coins is 1/3 of the number of 1 rupee coins. Let the number of 1 rupees coin be x and number of 2 rupee coin is equal to 1 upon 3x. If the purse has rupees 115, find the number of 2 rupee coin. This is also same. Find the value of 1 rupee coin and find the value of 2 rupee coins. And according to questions, the sum of their values is equal to 115. From this, you can find the number of 2 rupee coins. So in this way, you can solve this worksheet and also go for braintages. This braintages sums are also similar. I have already solved these sums. Next question number 2nd, and go for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th. Then also do homework. Do question 14, 16, 19 and braintages Next video will be of the difficult sum which is given in your braintages, and Wednesday I will start next chapter, that is quadrilaters and quadrilaters. So do this chapter linear equations company. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.